You don't need to be an expert to make money online. Watch this video. Lots of folks these days are interested in working from home online. Perhaps you are one of these people, but you just haven't done it yet. The ideas here will ensure that you start on the right foot. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. Writers can make some money on sites such as InfoBarrel or Squidoo. These sites let you choose topics to write about, and some of the income from visitors goes to you. Also, the opportunities from tie-ins through Amazon's affiliate program provide even more income. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Try to flip names for domains. This can be a lucrative and almost effortless way to make money, if you have the knack for it. It does require an upfront investment, but it can pay off quite well. Use sites like Google AdSense to find keywords that are trending. Focus on domains containing acronyms. Look for domain names that may pay off. Design and build websites for people on the web to make some extra cash on the side. This is a great way to showcase the skills that you have using programs like Composer. Take a class beforehand on website design if you want to brush up on your skills before starting up. It can take time to learn how to profit from online work. The best thing you could do is to find people that are into the same things you are and ask them for advice. Find a mentor and learn everything you can from them. It is imperative to keep your mind open to options and learn all you can. This will have you earning money sooner than you think. If you are looking for ways to earn money online, then you should have someone showing you the way. Thankfully, the tips and ideas presented in the above video were designed as a good start to begin your journey into the online world of making money. Anybody can make a little money online, but if you want to make a good amount, you need to learn more about it. Keep this in mind to get started as soon as possible. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.